Hi, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Networking, the collaborative business community, formerly known as Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men, but we're getting really into it now. So the other day I was speaking to one of our members and she was saying, oh, it's been all frantic up until the holidays and it's now gone slow. And I said, but you were complaining that you were really busy the other week. She said, I know. And now you're complaining that you're not so busy. She said, yes. How can you win that? I don't know. But we had a conversation and it went something like this. Well, during the slow periods, during the summer holidays maybe, or Easter holidays or Christmas, why don't you spend some time working on your business instead of in it, so that you can spend time reviewing your marketing plan, doing all those crazy admin chores that you just hate, get them all clear, get a clear space ready to go for the 1st of September. And why not, of course, join one of our fabulous networking events. So if you still go to www.fabulous-women.co.uk, and men too, of course, and go to the meetings calendar and sign up for a meeting. There's no pressure to join. You'll meet like-minded business owners and we'll help and support you. So why not click on that button right now, www.fabulous-women.co.uk, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care. Have a glorious week. Bye for now. Cheers.